In this video, I'll show you how you can turn these text-heavy slides into something nice looking with only using text, so you don't have to worry, you can make some nice designs with text only. What I'll do in this video is I'll show you a little bit of a breakdown of the existing slide, look at the components that we have, and then we'll look at the redesigned version of how I would approach it, and also walk you a little bit through my thought process. So here we can see the current version of the slide. First thing that jumps out is we have this title and subtitle on top. Nothing special about it, but what I like is that they have highlighted this keyword here, technology, in a different color. Then we have the large body text, of which we have the three parts. So we have innovative solutions, reliable support, and future ready. They've centered all of the text, so that's the first thing. We see all of the text is quite centered, but for these large bodies of text, it becomes very hard to read, and it's not the nicest way to read. It's better to align everything to the left, since it's more like a paragraph that you read in a magazine or a newspaper. That's easier to read. For a few short sentences or one or two lines, center line is fine. Otherwise, I would go for a left align. I also like that they have this different color for the subtitles, so that already jumps out. Now, another thing to mention is this arrow here. So I see a lot of people use it. We want to highlight what is important and we just slap on the arrow, or another important one is the red square or the red box around the content that we want to highlight. So we want to say like, hey, this is important, focus your attention on here. But overall, it kind of breaks the vibe and the feeling of your presentation. So we're going to avoid that in the redesign. And here we can see the redesigned version. Now, first of all, I've totally thrown around the colors. So we're talking about a tech company here, and that green, I think it contrasts very nicely with a dark background. So what I've done is I've made the background dark, almost black on the bottom right, and then a little lighter gray on the top left. So this already creates that gradient towards the top left. This gives us a result that we have this lighter part here at the top, and our eye naturally gravitates towards that lighter part. And that's where we have the title, so your trusted partner in technology. They highlighted technology. I think trusted partner is a bit better in this case, so that one really jumps out. Now the subtitle, I try to give it a little bit more space and put it in the top right corner as a paragraph. It's more of a supportive role here, so we don't need to have it in bold on the slide, I would say. And then for the main content, instead of those three paragraphs only, I've given them like a card each. So there's like a card for each of those, number 1, number 2, and number 3. For those, we have a number. I think it's always nice to add like a number, makes it feel more like an infographic or a card, I would say. And then use that subtitle, and the body text that you can see is now left aligned. It just reads a little bit easier. I've also used a little bit of transparency on the font to tone it down just a little bit. Depending on the screen that you'll use or where you'll present, you might want to do that or not. I've repeated that for number 2 and definitely number 3 on the right. But you can see the one in the middle here, number 2, reliable support. Instead of using that arrow and that rectangle around it, I try to invert the color. So this one naturally stands out a bit more. And also here we have the same elements, number 2, we have the title, and we have the body text. So if we look at the slide, at first glance, yeah, it's the title that jumps out, and now we have this second block here. So that is also how you could, with colors, you could guide the attention to your part that is important for you. So I think overall I'm very happy with how it turned out. If we compare to the previous version, this feels like a very standard slide where people started typing, but not too much thought has been put into it. Also, it doesn't really feel like it's branded or it belongs in a bigger part of a presentation, and that I try to bring in with the redesigned version. So of course you can make this in light or dark, that doesn't really matter. You can change the colors around to your branding, but this is how I would approach this with those text boxes and the cards to bring it all together. So I hope you like this redesign. Definitely let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you want to master these principles yourself and really be able to spot what goes wrong on your slides and how to fix them, I have an entire program available that teaches you exactly that. And you'll understand the fundamentals that you can apply to your slides. And also as a bonus, you can apply it everywhere in your communication. So if you're interested in that, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.